Still paying for Midjourney in 2025? You don't have to anymore. Today I'm showing you 7 insane, totally free AI image generators. No sketchy sites, no paywalls, just powerful tools that rival the paid stuff. I've tested them all, pushed them to their limits, and found the best for every need. YouTube thumbnails, art, memes, you name it. I'll share the exact prompts, hidden features, and how to get thousands of free images every month. By the end, you'll have a new arsenal of creative power. No credit card required. Ready to level up your content game for $0? Let's dive in. First up, Crayon, formerly DALL-E Mini, the ultimate meme machine. No sign up, no fuss. Just type your idea and get a grid of 9 images instantly. It's perfect for rapid-fire brainstorming, reaction memes, or rough concept sketches. The quality is quirky and weird, but that's the charm. Think digital sketchbook for your wildest ideas. For example, I typed, Corgi riding a T-Rex into a volcano eating a taco. 9 hilarious versions in seconds. Crayon's speed and offbeat style make it unbeatable for meme creators and thumbnail experiments. Supported by ads, but unlimited and fast for free. It's not for polished masterpieces, but it's the best first step in any creative process. Blast through ideas, laugh at the results, and move on to more advanced tools when you're ready. For $0, it's the perfect place to start your AI art journey. Next up, let's step up the quality. Number 2 is GetIMG, your all-in-one creative studio. Sign up and get 100 free images a month, plus a powerful AI editor. Generate 4 images per prompt in different styles: photorealistic, anime, artistic, and more. The real magic? Outpainting and inpainting. Expand images, fix details, or swap objects with a few clicks. Upload your own photos, edit, remix, and even train the AI on your own images for custom avatars or marketing. It's like a simplified Photoshop powered by AI, perfect for YouTubers, marketers, or anyone who wants more control. The free plan is generous, and the quality is a big step up from meme tools. Whether you're fixing weird AI hands or creating unique product shots, GetIMG is a powerhouse. Don't sleep on it. This is where your rough ideas become polished creations. For versatility and editing, GetIMG is hard to beat. Ready for pro-level features? Let's go. 12. Number 3, Leonardo AI, the pros playground. Get 150 free credits every day, enough for thousands of images a month. Leonardo gives you granular control style strength, guidance scale, and negative prompts to avoid unwanted details. The killer feature? A massive library of custom models, photorealism, anime, game assets, and more. Browse, mix, or train your own models and see what the community is creating for endless inspiration. The image quality is top tier. Think hyper-detailed portraits, stunning landscapes, and more. It's a creative community and a learning tool rolled into one. The learning curve is steeper, but the results are worth it. If you want to move beyond basic prompts and really craft your images, Leonardo is for you. Professional-grade power, totally free. Next, let's check out the Community Hub. Meet NightCafe, the original AI art community. Get daily free credits just for logging in, plus more for challenges and likes. Access multiple models, Stable Diffusion, DALL-E 2, and more, so you can experiment with the same prompt across different engines. Hundreds of style presets let you instantly change the vibe of your art. The real magic is the community. Public prompts, settings, and a massive searchable gallery. See what works, fork others' creations, and learn prompt crafting by example. Daily challenges keep things fresh and inspire creativity. The image quality is high, especially with newer models, and the collaborative spirit is unmatched. If you love sharing, learning, and being inspired, NightCafe is your creative playground. Now let's talk about video and multi-tools. Number 5, Runway ML, the AI multi-tool for creators, especially video editors. Get 125 free credits to try over 30 AI tools, from text to image to mind-blowing video generation. The Star Gen 2, which turns prompts into short video clips, perfect for B-roll, animated backgrounds, or social posts. Instantly remove video backgrounds, clean up audio, generate 3D textures, and more, all with AI. Their infinite image tool lets you expand images endlessly, and erase and replace makes object swapping a breeze. Credits go fast with video, but it's enough to experiment and add unique touches to your projects. For YouTubers and social media managers, Runway is a game changer. While its image tools are solid, its true power is in video and creative utilities. If you want to bring your AI art to life, Runway ML is a must-have. Next, let's unlock DALL-E 3 for free. 11. Bing Image Creator, powered by DALL-E 3, is the easiest, highest quality free tool out there. Just sign in with a free Microsoft account and start generating images in your browser. No complex setup. DALL-E 3 nails complex prompts and generates legible text, making it perfect for logos, posters, and thumbnails. The images are sharp, vibrant, and versatile. Photorealism, pixel art, watercolor, you name it. You get boost credits for fast generation, but even after they run out, you can keep creating for free, just with a short wait. Integrated with Bing Chat, now Copilot, you can refine images conversationally, iterate, tweak, and perfect your vision. I use it for thumbnails and B-roll all the time. It's a massive workflow upgrade. If you want S-tier results for $0, Bing Image Creator is your answer. No special software, just a browser tab away. Now let's meet the smartest image generator yet. 11. Number 7. ChatGPT with GPT-4o. Image generation meets conversation. Create images directly in ChatGPT's chat interface, building and refining ideas in real time. Start with a simple prompt, then ask for tweaks, variations, or even combine elements from different images, all in plain English. Upload images for analysis, remixing, or inspiration, true multimodal creativity. Pro tip: add with a transparent background to your prompt for instant PNGs. No more tedious editing. GPT-4o is great at interpreting vague ideas, so you don't need perfect prompts. Usage limits exist, but they're generous for daily creative work. It's like brainstorming with a super fast, talented artist. For flexibility, intelligence, and natural workflow, ChatGPT-4o is a game changer. Now let's wrap up your new toolkit. 11. Midjourney's cool, but now you've got 7 killer free tools that rival anything paid. From meme machines to pro editors, video magic to conversational AI, you're set for any creative project. The gap between paid and free is closing, so stop thinking you need to pay to play. Which tool are you most excited to try? Drop a comment and let me know. Smash that like and subscribe for more No BS AI guides. I'm always hunting for the best free tools to save you time and money. Thanks for watching. Now go create something amazing.